All right, so as you can see, we waterproofed this basement. You can see our trench here. We also put up this wall. It's called Bright Wall. It's just attached straight into the cinder blocks. You can see it's attached by these pins, but there's no framing or anything back there. This is a GeoLock. It's also referred to an earth anchor. So there's a plate similar to this, about 12 feet out in a hole out there. So what that does is this nut right here and that nut pulls them together and it stabilizes the wall, keeps it from coming in. Probably going to be hard to tell from the video, but if you look at this window, there's a little bit of a bow in it. That's where you can kind of see how this wall has, cracked and bowed inward. So it's good to have both waterproofing and foundation. If your foundation has failed and started to bow, there's going to be cracks, there's going to be gaps for water to get inside this cinder block wall. So we have weep holes down below that drains that water that comes in. But also, if you don't take care of your foundation, it's going to keep moving in. I don't know if you can see, but there's two big trees out there. Those trees can be pushing on this wall and continue to push on it. So you want to get it stabilized and locked into place so that you don't have any more issues with the walls coming in, and waterproofing as well, so you don't have water coming in and your walls aren't coming in anymore.